this is the result of the high stake game I post previously. If you watch the video, so this is the result. Is stake on Sporting and also on this site too. So this is the stake. We stake 22 on this, 22M on this. Then here is the result after winning. So this is the same game for high stakers and also for rollover stakers also. So here is the result, and this is the second one too. So the Inter Milan is also missed on this, and the Arsenal. So the one that is not missed on this particular one is Newcastle. So you can see Newcastle is added on this one. Then this one is others is combined with this. So stake 5M on this. You can see the profit there. So it's for high stakers. So more high you stake is more you win. Your more profit. More high you stake, more profit. If you stake low, low profit. So that's how this works. So in case you are interested on this, for rollover is available for high stake from 2 odd or 2 point something odd or 1.7 something odd or 1.8 something odd, but we don't pick much. Highest we pick 4 games or 3 games. So that's how we do it. So that because people stake high on it, so we don't choose anyhow game, and we choose good options that match each match. So it's for live soccer. But for those that want Zoom soccer for rollover, is also available in case you're interested on it. So we are done with today's match. So this is one when it's still playing. So you can see that, which I have already posted on the previous video. So this is the result for the match. So result is successful. Grabbed it today, 1st October. So here's the result of the second one. Alright guys, in case you are ready to join us, you can chat us on WhatsApp with the number showing on this video. Alright, thank you guys. Don't forget to subscribe and also turn on the notification bell so I don't miss my videos. Zoom soccer tips is coming very soon. Stay tuned.